Buongiorno. Ciao.
Vai, vai.
Buongiorno. E poi faremo un test riducendo la...
A Suzuka o Cina?
Suzuka.
Ok.
Lo facciamo subito. Quello di Grigoni.
Ok.
Sì, ce l'abbiamo.
Va bene. Grazie mille. Simulator. Getting obviously now there's 5 weeks off stop, so it's the opportunity to train for Miami, to understand the first races of the season, how it went, and what can we do to be better.
Ciao Carlo, come stai?
Bene, te?
Bene, bene.
Auguri,
Buona Pasqua.
A te. Ciao.
Ciao.
bello. Ciao.
Ring, ring, ring.
Yes, hyper bien, hein? Non, super. Des questions. Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
All good?
The sun?
What?
Been in the sun?
It's the makeup.
Where are you leaving? Where are you leaving to?
I'm being too much.
No, you're not.
Keep moving. The house is so nice.
Because I've got to, I need the car for going to Tuscany.
It's looking nice though. So maybe more to the left from that idea.
We're going over here, boys. Let's go.
Yesterday I received them home.
You should tell us more.
Esatto. Vabbè, ho capito. Alex, my wife will be super happy. I've been forcing her.
To try it.
I told her, like, for me to make such a huge difference. I'm not saying that because you're here. I'm actually saying that to everybody. It really makes a big difference. So I was like, you need to try it.
Let's go for another shooting.
There you go.
One finishes, another one restart.
I could sleep
There's a connect.
easily. I was falling asleep. I arrived this morning at 5 a.m.
Driving home.
I had to leave for here at 9:30 from work, so I arrived at 5 here.
Oh, thank you.
And 8:30 I was at the cine. Alright, please, here we go. Y'all ready? No, I'm ready. I'm like flat out. Here we go. And action. Whoa, that's Hi everyone, this is Charles Leclerc.
I'm Lewis Hamilton.
I didn't know that.
The camera's cut.
Grande Nico, come stai?
Ciao, bene, bene.
Buona Pasqua.
Altrettanto, grazie.
Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
I realize that I know many people now here.
There's one exception.
So thank you for following me today. It's now time to leave.
enjoy. Oh.
I was thinking the ending was like this.
All right, well, that's the end of my day. I hope you enjoyed it and see you very soon on track. Ciao.